Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Kaying Dorbar tauan mentakas ngi kala sakhi ya kajing ainya jong MLA ka khanam nakaliang sensyar uba Adelbert nongrom ha kabaya day wat Rukom Pynïaid Dorbar. Mariokot ka kenta bu jingkeli Lamphang kaying Dorbar uba medba ula poino syaka benta ka baar bar ula khot yu MLA ka umroy uba George Bilingdo ban kren Halor kamat kabaya day wat kajing ki kinong tray ka MEECL. Henry hakani ko por uba Adelbert ula pha song shwai uba George bad ula sedang ban kren Halor ka wei pat kaman. Kat kum ka jingkren uba Adelbert la snguthu bola kerpat yu Lamphang ban ailat ban ya kren Halor ka resolution. Henry Lamphang ula pensyai ba yaki sngi bat tarik ban ya kendu ka Dorbar la penbed bat ajing menjur da ka business advisory committee. Nalor kata uba Adelbert uklem la ban jubab haba Lamphang ula keli Halor ka rule ayu la pendon kam ban yeng bat kren heying Dorbar. Hakani ko por la yeng sau sembut menteri rangba uba Prestone tensong ban pensyai Halor kimat kibala bu ban ya tai menta kasngi la ni kata ka list of business. Uba Prestone la kenturu yo Lamphang badewan weng lut no ya ke e ka ba uba Adelbert ula kren hakani ka khlipman.
Before we come to the next item, let me inform the House that there is 0-hour notice tabled by Sri George Bilingdo, MLA, on the Rule 49A of the Rules of Procedure and Conduct of Business. To the news item published in the Shillong Times dated 29th of August 2022 under the caption MEECL staff to wear black badges. Sri George Bilingdo, MLA, please.
George, Honorable George, please give me a second. Sir, respected sir, I would like to...
Please quote the rule.
Yes. Sir, just...
Please quote the rule when you want to stand.
I understand, sir, but I may put
Under what
one
rule you will
question,
stand?
just one submission before you, sir. May you please permit, like yesterday we supposed to dispose the subject of resolution. Sir, but today, yeah, of course, there is other subject also which need to be taken up, and motion also is there, resolution also is there, and from my point of view, I have prepared three resolution. In fact, but two I will surrender. But before the House is going ahead, I would like to appeal or request the honorable members of the August House through you, Mr. Speaker, sir, please allow, because this session we had very less time.
Under
and
what,
this is the
under
last
what
session.
rule? Under what rule you are raising up this point? Number one. Number two, I would like to respond to you that the Business Advisory Committee has approved the calendar list.
No doubt.
And
sir.
the Business Advisory Committee also has suggested that the time will not be extended beyond 2 o'clock as far as the sitting is concerned.
Yes, sir.
But however, there are a lot of subjects, issues which have been taken up, which I felt that it is very important for all the honourable members. That's why I have extended on some occasions, sometimes by half an hour, sometimes by 45 minutes, sometimes by 1 hour. So that has been taken care of.
No doubt about that, sir. Sir, please, no, I just like to seek...
Under what rule you are raising this point, Adelbert? Please
so
quote the rule.
Through understandable and consciousness. Sir, why?
Sir,
yes,
I cannot conduct the House under understanding or what you saying just now. I couldn't follow. But it has to be conducted as per the rules of procedure of conduct of the business.
No, but whatever subject...
But that is heard from your side.
Sir.
So, George Bilingdo.
Sir, just a minute.
Mr. Speaker, sir.
Please,
only 1 minute.
Mr. Speaker, sir.
Because I'm going
May
to... I would like to request, sir, respected sir, please.
Mr. Speaker, sir.
Okay,
respected sir.
No, can I just clarify? Mr. Speaker, sir, may I refer to the list of business? The list of business, I think it must be on the table of the honorable member. So please go, the list of business on the 15th, Thursday, is already listed here. It is listed here. So why do you have to again seek or ask clarification from the honorable speaker? Because honorable speaker has already drafted the list of business and it is in your table, and then you asking question, I don't know in which provision of rules that you refer to. Please refer to the rules. Is it 300? Is it 301? Is it 302? Please clarify that.
Thank you, Honorable Deputy Chief Minister. Through you, Speaker, sir. Sir, it is this is my humble submission.
Please quote the rule. Under what rule that I will accept unless you are...
This is only your prerogative, sir. Because why?
Sir.
No, sir.
Sir, please take a seat. There is no waste time here.
Bringing
Please
a
take
roster
seat.
system resolution.
Because
why, sir? We
I'm
had discussed.
requesting you, please take a seat.
Sir, please.
Please take a seat. Let me explain. I have already said just now. The Business Advisory Committee sat, discussed, and accepted and approved also the calendar proposed for the autumn session. And it's been decided also that, so just said also that the sitting of the House will not be extended beyond the 2 o'clock. But however, I said, understanding the importance of the issues and the subjects discussed in the House, for the benefit of all the honourable members, I have extended the sitting of the House occasionally by half an hour, 45 minutes or 1 hour. The calendar is approved by the Business Advisory Committee. I cannot deviate from the calendar which has been placed for today. By Judge Wilindo, you may move, please. By Adelbert, please try to understand. The House is to be conducted as per the rules of procedure and conduct of the business of the House. It's not the Speaker alone. The Business Advisory Committee approved the calendar. Please try to understand about that. Please, by Adelbert, this is not acceptable.
Business about the roster system. That I leave to your wisdom. Let it be taken up.
Mr. Speaker, sir.
What do you mean to say now?
Mr. Speaker, sir.
1 minute. What do you mean to say by that? If all the honourable members also have their motions and resolution in the calendar, which cannot be taken up, if all of them also started saying like that, how do we conduct the House? How do we conduct the House?
I depend upon the gravity of situation.
Go by the rules of procedure and conduct of business of the House. I have to follow that. I cannot deviate from that at any cost. Please try to understand.
Mr. Speaker, sir, point of order. As far as the statement made by the honourable member, Shri Adelbert Nongrum, let us not create a practice. Let us not create a convention. I think this whole statement he made, I think it's better we expunge it. Because he is against the list of business placed on the table of the House. If you are against it, I think means you don't want to follow the rules, the procedures. So therefore, sir, I would suggest, I would request that it should be expunged. Otherwise, it will be there in the proceeding in the years to come.
By Judge Wilindo.
Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.